Hello everyone, and welcome to my new Yeet Cars video. In today's video, we'll be trying to get this car to start. Can't wait, so let's begin. In case you haven't watched my first and second videos, this is a rare SFX 1997 Hyundai Coupe. We'll be trying to get it to start by putting the timing belt and the new seal back onto it. The timing belt. So there's the water pump gasket and that. And there's the water pump itself. Looks nice. And there's our seals. Hopefully they're the right ones. So we started putting the seal in there, and it actually went a whole lot better than we thought. We just got a piece of trusty old metal pipe and smacked the hammer around a few times, and it actually worked really, really well, and it's all come flush now, which is great. Next was the timing gear, so we had to put that back on. It was a little bit tight for a start, but then it went on quite neatly. It fit a whole lot better now that the seal was good. Next we put all of the pulley tensioners on, and then we put the water pump on. We had to clean up the old seal first. Now we've got the timing belts on and it's all tensioned. So now we've got to get the other belts on. And the moment of truth. That was awesome. So we had put all the covers and the belts back on, and we turned the key, and first time it started up and it just ran a little bit rough, but then we stopped it, turned it back on again, and it ran really nicely. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more of me fixing this car, and can't wait till the next video where we'll be fixing the holes in the roof, the rust and all that. While the engine was running, we had to stick this piece of wood in there because the wheel just kept on turning, and then we were getting the ABS light on and we were going, uh-oh, we might have to fix the ABS, and we were like, oh wait, one wheel's turning, the other wheel isn't, so the ABS is freaking out.